Hey, so just doing a little update. Alright, so as far as the Soarer goes, it's just about done. It's I got the speedo to work with the 350Z trans, and just have to do the neutral safety bypass to the clutch pedal, and that's about it. Let's see if you can see inside. I found the shift boot for lights don't work for my friend, and I drove the car. Feels really nice. Update on the red one. Somebody should be coming to get this thing. This is for sale. It's about 400 horsepower, 1J. So someone's coming to get this thing at the end of the month. Haven't really done much on this car, but it's a 1JZ with 440cc injectors, excess power race manifold, tile 44mm wastegate, and a GT35 CX Racing. Made about 370 to the wheels. Stock motor, stock transmission, W58. And then on to my project, which is my SC400. I basically decided I'm not going to get an LSD. I can swallow the $1,300 or $1,000, whatever the fuck these super people want. So I got a 408 welded. This is going in my SC400, which has a 5-speed, and we'll see how that goes. Maybe eventually I'll get an LSD, but right now I don't give a fuck. I want my wheels to spin, so both of them anyways. So I took it apart, well, at least took the cover off, inspected it, made sure the weld was good, and cleaned it up and resealed it. Gonna get new fluid, and then I gotta take the bushings out, which fucking sucks. But my current diff, which is a 408, the bearings are pretty much destroyed, so both of these axles are moving around a lot and causing some drivetrain issues. So that's a little update, and should be sliding the SC400 soon. I'm going to put the diff in tomorrow and have some fun with it finally. After about a year I've been working on it, and took it to the track once, and I think that's about all I've done with it. And I slided it once, but the open diff kind of killed it. So yeah, I'm gonna hold on to the W58 until it breaks, or if it ever does break, and I might go 6-speed on the 1UZ if I have the cash anyways. So yeah, it's just an update, and the Soarer. I'm gonna try and make a better video of this, of a drive, point of view drive. Probably can't really see this, but I know it's dark in here. But it's really clean, really fun, and it's the first 6-speed I've known, 6-speed 350Z swap that I've known at all for anybody to do. I mean, there might be some other ones out there, but it's a pretty cool build. So yeah, hopefully everything works out, and I'll post again soon.